Good morning everyone. Yesterday we learned how the soil formed, the formation of a soil. Okay, today we learned the different types of soil. Here it is given the map work of the soil. See, given the different colors of the different soil, and here it is the map work. Everyone see this one. See, so different types of soil. Different parts of India are rich in different types of soil. Look at the map and find out which part of India is rich in which type of look out this map, and you decide that on which part of India is rich in which type of soil. Okay, the first soil is alluvial soil. The first one is the types of soil. The first one is alluvial soil. Okay, alluvial soil. This one is the first one. Okay, see, the soil that is formed due to the deposition of silt and sand brought down by rivers is known as alluvial soil. So what is meant by a alluvial soil? This is the first soil, alluvial soil. Okay, this is the what is meant by the alluvial soil? This soil is formed due to the deposition of silt and sand. It is the deposition of silt and sand who brought down, the river brought down. The silt and sand brought down the river. This deposition of soil is called a alluvial soil. Okay. So what is alluvial soil? Alluvial soil is formed due to the deposition of a silt and sand brought down by the rivers. Okay. So this type of soil is found in plenty in the northern and coastal plains of India. This alluvial soil is found in northern and coastal plains in India. Okay, in the northern plains and the coastal plains, the river brought down the silt and the sand. These deposits are very fertile and soft in nature. Alluvial soil is rich in minerals. This alluvial soil is very rich in minerals, and this one is very fertile soil and in a soft in nature. Clear? So the first one is alluvial soil. The alluvial soil is the deposition of sand and silt brought down by the rivers, and this one is the rich in minerals and rich in fertile. And this alluvial soil is found in northern plains and the coastal plains of India. Okay, see the next one. Alluvial soil is good for growing crops like rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, sugarcane, oil seeds, pulses and jute, amongst many others. This already we learned that the alluvial soil is rich in fertile, are very fertile. So these are the crops are grow here. What are they? Rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, sugarcane, oil seeds, pulses, jute and jute. Okay. See here it is alluvial soil. Which one is the alluvial soil? Here it is given the green color. See, the northern plains and the coastal plains. Okay, the northern plains and the coastal area of India are found a alluvial soil. Okay, so the first alluvial soil over. The second one is black soil. The second one is black soil. See, the second soil is black soil. Okay, the second one is black soil. See, what is the black soil? Because it is a black in color, and the soil that is formed from lava. From where it is lava is coming? From the volcanoes. है ना? The volcano, from the volcanoes lava is coming, that become a solidified. Means वो ठंडा होने का solid होने का बाद में that rocks becomes broken into small pieces and make a soil. Okay, see, the soil that is formed from lava after it solidifies is known as black soil. So black soil is formed from the lava rocks. Okay, the lava rocks are broken into small pieces and make a black soil. Okay, see, black soil is mainly found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this black soil is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, which lie in the northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. So we learned the alluvial soil that are in the very rich in fertile, and the second one is the black soil that forms from the lava. Alluvial soil is brought down by the rivers. Okay, next one is number 3, that is, okay, so sorry, and the one paragraph left. This soil is clay and it can retain a lot of moisture. Which soil? This black soil. Okay, this black soil is a clay wala hai, and it has a lot of moisture. हमेशा थोड़ा पानी मिक्स होता है, moisturize है. It is most suitable for growing crops like cotton, millets, tobacco, oil seeds, wheat, sugarcane and even citrus fruits. Okay, see, this black soil is very is a clay type, and it has a lot of moisturize in it, and this black soil is suitable for cotton. Sorry, this one, black soil is suitable for cotton, millets, okay, millets and tobacco, oil seeds, wheat and sugarcane and citrus fruits. Okay, so we learned the 2 types of soil. First one is alluvial soil and the second one is black soil. The alluvial soil is a deposition of silt and sand brought down by the rivers, and this is a very fertile and rich in minerals. This alluvial soil found in northern plains and the coastal area of India. Okay, next one is the black soil. This black soil is formed from the lava. Okay, the lava is coming from, everyone knows that the lava is coming from the volcanoes, and this lava is solidified and ठंडा होने के बाद में क्या करेगा, that rocks broken into small pieces and they make a black soil. Okay, this black soil is always a clay model, and it has a moisturize. Okay, this black soil is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Okay,